Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the XDC network token from Xinfin. Ticker symbol is XDC. Now this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting December 15th at 15 hours UTC time. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second, but before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this. Technically it's a coin here. You could call it a token, but technically it is a coin. It runs on its own blockchain. Their block explorer is at explorer.xfin.network, and Xfin is spelled Xinfin. So XDC network is an EVM compatible layer 1 network, a highly optimized bespoke fork of Ethereum. The XDC network reaches consensus through a delegated proof-of-stake XDPoS mechanism, which allows for 2-second transaction time, near zero gas fees, and a high number of transactions per second. Secure, scalable, and highly efficient, the XDC network powers a wide range of novel blockchain use cases and provides state-of-the-art infrastructure for enterprise-grade blockchain applications and real-world asset tokenization. And you can find this coin newly listed December 15th, 15 hours UTC time on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get the XDC coin and you don't have a Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. All you would have to do is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search XDC, and then simply just buy the coin. It is that easy. You can follow their Twitter. I'm going to put their Twitter up right here at Xfin_official. They have over 100,000 Twitter followers, 101,300 Twitter followers, blue verified checkmark, over 1,800 tweets, doing very well here. And it says it's an enterprise-ready open-source hybrid blockchain protocol specializing in tokenization for real-world decentralized finance. And they do have a whole bunch of papers you can find at the bottom of their webpage, xinfin.org. They have developer ecosystem partners, join the community, community bounty, media events. They have all the tools like the XDC Explorer, Network Status, Faucet, Tools Guide, Network Remix. You can use the XDC coin in the ecosystem dApps, set up a masternode, get XDC, the wallets, the subnet. You can learn. They have a technical white paper, a business white paper. They even have an online hackathon. You can learn about the company. You can contact them. There's brand assets, frequently asked questions. They have developer documentation, portal, forum, and GitHub. And lastly, they also have tons of socials, a YouTube, a Reddit, Telegram, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, etc. all at the bottom of their page. I guess you could pronounce this Xinfin. I've been calling it, I didn't even know what I've been calling it, but maybe it's Xinfin. I don't know. I pronounce these things wrong all the time, but who really cares? XDC network, decentralized smart contracts platform. The decentralized and open source secure smart contract platform driven by community for seamless execution of enterprise-friendly use cases such as trade finance and payments. So XDC is the currency of Xinfin, your gateway to a world of possibilities. You can start building comprehensive documents and resources to build on the XDC network. You can use the dApp, experience the power of decentralized applications fueled by XDC, and there's interoperability by bridges. There's interoperability by Corda Bridge and WAN Chain Bridge. Probably another thing I pronounced wrong. XDC network is a secure, scalable, third-generation blockchain network with a capacity of up to 2,000 transactions per second. It offers high throughput and low latency transactions. Now you can click on Join as Network Node. Now it says there literally is 0 for transaction gas fees, but it is actually looks like 1/10 of a penny, basically, is what the fee is. And they have it supports EVM compatible smart contracts. It's a blockchain network for developers to create next gen applications. So they have the XDC API documentation, building decentralized apps with ease. Access the XDC API doc to unleash the power of the blockchain, deploy smart contracts, interact with the network, and build innovative dApps using our comprehensive tools and protocols. They have ISO 20022 compliant, so XDC protocol enables ISO compatible messaging for private and hybrid stake, making it the language of core banking systems, ERP systems, SWIFT systems, and many more. With higher interoperability with legacy systems, you can create smart contracts, easily integrate legacy systems and blockchain platforms with XDC's network. The purpose of XDC's origin is to simplify secure smart contract deployment and enable asset tokenization without custom programming expertise. They have lots of partners, so they collaborate with Circle, AIX, Soda Tech, Copper, Ramco, etc. They have tons of them on here. So they have utility tokens from the XDC network are made to improve efficiency, security, and transparency in transactions across several industries. And XDC network is a decentralized blockchain network that utilizes Xinfin delegated proof-of-stake consensus mechanism. And they have the metrics on here, the network metrics. Basically, there is the transactions, over 492.6 million, over 14,600 contracts, and over, looks like 100, no, they have 108 validators and 341 total nodes. You can go over the security on here. They have tons of information. Check out all their socials, xinfin.org. Check out the XDC coin, newly listed here on Mexc Global as of the 15th. And like I said, you can find that referral code down there in the description box to Mexc Global. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. What do you guys think about this project? And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.